Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to AppIQ. In this video, I'm going to show you three ways where you can easily access your task manager on Windows. Now, the first way is by pressing Ctrl Alt and Delete on your computer, and you will find the task manager directly from that. So Ctrl Alt and Delete. Now, I would do it, but I don't want to close my screen. But go ahead and try Ctrl Alt Delete, and you will see that. Now, the second way how you can actually do that is to simply right click on your taskbar. Yes, right click on your taskbar, literally give you access to your task manager. And so once you do that, you'll be able to quickly open up your task manager. So easy and so simple. Now, another way is to right click on the Windows icon. Once you right click on the Windows icon within the list here, you have task manager as well. And you can quickly access the task manager. And as a bonus tip to find it, you can also click the Windows key on your keyboard and simply type in Task Manager, and you will also find Task Manager from the search, and you can open it with Task Manager as well. So there you learn not only three ways, but actually four ways where you can actually open up Task Manager on your Windows PC.